create the cover and context maps using Google Earth, first open the Google Earth Pro application. This can be downloaded for free from the Google Earth website, or it might be available already on any school computers. We'll first want to go ahead and search for our hometown in the top left corner. Here my map is already populated to Los Angeles. It might take a few seconds to zoom in onto your hometown. Once that is available, to get rid of this Los Angeles or city label, you'll hit the X in the top left corner of that search result. Now on your unlabeled map, we'll want to go ahead and navigate to the Save Image icon, which should be the third in on the top bar. Under map options, we'll want to clear away the title and description, legend, and compass, only leaving the scale setting. Under resolution, we'll want to change to the 1080 HD. This will allow for a wider map angle, which will be useful in exporting our map and manipulating it further in Illustrator and or PowerPoint. And the 1080 frame also automatically comes into a rectangular form. In the bottom right corner, you can see that currently I'm at a 10-mile scale. Yours may range depending on your hometown location. So we can go ahead and zoom in to about 200 feet, sorry, 2,000 feet for this assignment. Once we're set at 2,000 feet, if your map does seem as though it is not particularly facing direct aerial view, you can hit the R key on your keyboard and it will automatically reset the view. Now we'll go ahead and navigate to Save Image on that top bar. You can choose any name to save your image in any desired file location. After saving this map, we will go ahead and open Illustrator or PowerPoint to continue.